Hi and welcome to this tutorial video on jetPACK application templates. And what I'm showing you now is just that the ALB-X that we're looking at is blank. It's not configured apart from the management IP address. It's on version 15.10, and we can go to our jetPACK page in our user guide and download an application template, upload it to the load balancer, and it will be configured for that application. So within that jetPACK page, we've got various ones from Microsoft Exchange to Link, VMware View, and we're just going to use the basic web services. So we right click, save that text file to a location, and then we go back to the load balancer and we can browse for that same text file we downloaded, click upload. Make sure we do this in the configuration section, and the bottom section is for software updates only, the top one is for configuration changes. So here, this is real time, so it's about 15 seconds before it will refresh automatically, and we'll have a configured load balancer for web services. This is normal port 80 HTTP. We've added a virtual IP address of 1111 and then 4 content servers, 11s, 12s, 13s and 14s. In the actions section, we can set our health checking, which we've done for a layer 7 health check, a cookie-based load balancing, we've set reverse proxy, which is the default setting, and we've left SSL set to no SSL, so no encryption at all. So to add in a second virtual interface, we go to jetPACK 2. Most important that we do these in order as well. So we have to do jetPACK 1, then jetPACK 2, then jetPACK 3, jetPACK 4. We can't go straight in for jetPACK 4. We have to do them in order. So I'm going to save all 3 of these now, 2, 3 and 4, and they're all different services. And then we'll do this one by one. So we need to go to jetPACK 2 first. Again, configuration update, find the file, upload it, and wait for it to refresh. Sometimes it doesn't refresh automatically and goes to a white screen. That's because of your browser caching. So you need to do Control-Shift-Delete and delete your browser cache and then click refresh in the browser. So here we've added all the 2s to indicate virtual IP address, the virtual IP, the second virtual IP. This one has got 443 and we've got SSL offload. So 443 to the client, 80 to the content servers. So let's do re-encryption, which will be 443 all the way through, whereby we encrypt and decrypt on the load balancer to the client and to the server. So we'll upload that now. So this one should give us all 3s, virtual IP address of 3.3.3.3 with the same content server IP addresses. But different to the one above, in the actions section, you will see content SSL is set to any, meaning that we'll accept any certificate that the server presents to us. So we're re-encrypting the traffic and the server's then decrypting it. So let's apply that last one, which is Ssl Pass Through. So this is at layer 4. We're not doing any encryption decryption, so this is for high throughput applications where we need security all the way through. You need it load balanced, but you don't need us to do anything with that packet. So we set to no SSL and we change the service type to layer 4 TCP. And what else can we do? We can change the IP addresses very easily now. You've put generic jetPACKs on there. So what we could do is change all the ones for 192.168.101.1, and then we'll hit update to apply that change. And then maybe we'll change a content server address. So we can do it from the GUI after we've uploaded, or you could do it beforehand by editing the text file and doing a search and replace for all of the ones. You could change it for 192.168.101.1, and then 11s you could change for 192.168.101.11. And just to recap, the jetPACK page will show you all the downloads, how to apply it, and also how to create one if you wish, for the more adventurous, to create your own from existing configs. So thanks very much for your attention. If you've got any problems, then if you email support@jetnexus.com.